There's times we need to lower the feed dogs, or sometimes people call them the feed teeth here. We would do that if we're sewing buttons on. I like those teeth to be out of my way and not moving my button a little bit. And I also do it a lot more when I free motion quilt. Those are the two major times. So what you're going to do is slide the accessory box off, and you can reach behind the machine. So let me show you what you're looking for back here. There's a little lever down at the bottom that will slide the feed dogs into the down position. So once they go down, you'll hear a little kind of clunk, and then when you go to re-engage them, you'll slide them back, but nothing happens. Not until you actually take a stitch. So if you want to see them come back up, take a stitch by hand, and you'll hear a little click, and they'll come up above the throat plate. Or if you know you want to trust your machine, just put fabric in and start to sew, and they'll re-engage. So just keep that in mind, that once you lower them, you need to take a stitch for them to come back up.